Hey beauties, welcome back. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. Alright, so in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to highlight my wig. Alright, so I told you guys in my previous video, a video where I did hair installation, like the full lace wig installation. So I told you guys I was going to do something else with that hair. Exactly, so that's what I'll be doing today. So I'm going to bleach this hair. I would say I'm going to highlight it. Alright, so all the items I used, or I'll say the product I used in achieving whatever I'm going to achieve later, alright, or you guys already saw it in the intro. So the product will be listed in the description bar. I mean the powder bleach, the developer, these sets of brushes, and the bowl you get. So I will have a link to them in the description bar just in case you want to get it. The powder bleach is very affordable. The developer is also affordable, and the bleach, what's it called, the bowl and the brush sets are also available, affordable. So I will put the links in the description bar, so please do check it out. Alright, so I'm going ahead to just mix this product together. Okay, so I've gone ahead to mix the product together, and now I'm just sectioning the hair out just as I'm going to apply the product on the hair. So I would say this step is easy to understand even without me trying to explain what I'm doing or what is going on, you get. So I'm just going to leave you guys to watch. Oh, before then, one thing I would like to tell you guys is once you are applying this thing, you have to be quick. I don't know if it was because of the product I used, because as I was applying the product to the hair, it was already changing color. I was like, whoa, how is it going to look like by the time I'm done? You get? So you just have to be fast and quick with it, alright? So that's what I want to let you guys know. And I'm going to leave you guys to just watch, and I'll be right back. Alright, so at this point I was done applying the bleach all over the hair. So because I wanted it to have a kind of a uniform look, fine, it's not going to happen so, because the back is more lighter than the frontal part, because the frontal part is the part I did last, right? So I just went ahead to wrap it down with the aluminum foil and left it for like 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it. So this is the state, you know, of the hair right now. So you can tell the tip of the hair is pretty darker than the bottom of the hair. I mean the bottom of the hair, which is not a bad thing. You're going to see how it's going to turn out as we proceed with this video. All right, so I've gone ahead to slightly blow dry it because I'm not done with the bleaching thing, because I wanted that middle part more highlighted. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So you guys are going to see how that went. So once I was done applying on this front part, so I'm going to wrap it up again with the aluminum foil and leave it for 10 minutes, all right? And then I'm going to wash. So do you see the difference? There is a huge difference, all right? So now that it's like this, all I'm going to do now is blow dry it and try to flat iron it, just you know, give it a final touch basically. So I think I'll just leave you guys to watch, because yeah, I will leave you guys to just watch it. Let me know if you have any question, like if there's anything you do not understand, just let me know. And by the way, this is the first time I'm actually trying highlighting my wig, you understand? This is quite different from when you're trying to bleach the whole hair to a certain color or something. Oh, by the way, after this whole bleaching and all of that, guys, this wig did not lose hair. Do you see the little thing that just came out from the comb? That's all. That's literally all. Even in the bathroom, there was nothing. That, like, this hair is just amazing. It's really worth having. Alright, so now it's time to flat iron the hair. So before I do that, I'm going to apply this serum to the hair. So this is just going to give it more silky look. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it right now. Alright guys, so this is it so far. Guys, do you see how beautiful this hair turned out? Really beautiful. I really love it. Alright, so this is it. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section and I will definitely answer your question. So yeah, if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my vlog channel, Dilias Vlog, and check out my lash line, Dilias Empire Lashes. So this is going to be it, guys, and until next time, guys, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.